Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Gemini's verification code not received. First, check your mobile network and signal and make sure that it is strong. Then, weak signal can delay or block SMS messages. Next, make sure you've entered the correct phone number or email address. Even a small mistake can stop the code from arriving. Then restart your phone and request the code again. You can also go ahead and turn airplane mode on. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and turn it off to refresh your network connection. Then head over to your Gmail app. Click on the three-line option in the top left corner. Swipe down, check your spam or your trash folder if you have sent the code in email. Sometimes verification emails are filtered there. Then wait a few minutes before requesting another code because too many requests in a short time can delay delivery. If the code still does not arrive, try another verification method if available or contact support for further help. That's how you fix the Gemini verification not received. Subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.